we've decided to do the noisy bit by the hospital first. So hopefully it won't be quite so noisy.
Good morning. Wheelers at large. We're out again. Day 7 of our challenge. And it's dry again.
And it's not as quiet as I hoped it would be along here, but it is a busy road. This is Queen's Park Avenue, by the way, for those of you who used to live in Bournemouth and ride around Bournemouth. And this has become, over the years, one of the main roads to get to the Bournemouth Spur Road, Bournemouth Ringwood Spur Road. And as such is very busy at certain times of the day and can be queued quite a long way back. Right, car back. You better get on with it. Yeah, well done. All clear. We've just come along Iford Lane, and that gets us out to Tuckton. This is where I was born, by the way. Anyway, we're going to go up a hill now. Bellevue Hill. Again, people who have ridden here in the past, they'll remember Bellevue Hill.
First hill today.
This hill always looks a bit steeper in my mind than it is in reality.
The deck chair roundabout. It's 5 to 6. We've done 6 miles. We're on the cliff top road here, but into the wind.
Always, well, generally into the wind and slightly uphill this way, isn't it?
Predominant winds, yes. It's better to go the other way along this one. Have to remember that for tomorrow. Go the other way along here. Where'd the road go?
It is definitely windier today, and the sea is making much more of a noise, but it didn't look to be too bad, just a little bit choppy. Yeah, riding along here used to be an absolute nightmare for the drivetrain, but since changing to wax, and we didn't do that for performance gains, I might add, not really a problem anymore. Yeah, you come along the seafront with a lube chain, you pretty much had to completely clean it and start again, which of course got very tiresome. Yeah, with the wax, dry cloth, run it around a few times, absolutely perfect. It really has made a difference. And when you live in Bournemouth, yeah, the seafront here gives us access to the New Forest in one direction, the Purbex in the other direction, so it's a really useful route, but not when you've got to clean your chain every single time. So switching to waxing has made a big difference. Well, to me it has, you know, the person who does the maintenance.
It's easy for me.
Yeah, very easy for you.
I hang my bike up, and when I pick it up next, it's cleaned and waxed.
We'll do a loop and come back and get the bike locks. Yeah, we didn't get the bike locks yesterday. I'm gonna really try and do it today. I've got the keys with me and everything.
This is Old Christchurch Road.
Something noisy.
Yeah.
Seagull.
Yeah. Lots of laid down barrels there, wasn't there?
That seems to be the norm.
It does, doesn't that?
This is Lansdowne. Royal London House is still there. And the clock tower at the college is still there. So this is the St Swithin's Road area. There's St Swithin's Church. And again, this has changed a lot. There's an Asda here. Oh, I'll tell you what, we'll go this way.
Oh! Do you know what? He really does keep me on my toes.
Yeah, big Asda at the train station now. It's got a McDonald's in it. That might be 24 hours. We could get coffee there, but we probably shouldn't. Part of this challenge is to, you know, restrict our exposure to things we shouldn't do, let's say. I don't think we've touched down yet, have we?
I haven't.
No. 20 past 6. And yeah, over 10 miles already. We'll be done soon. Yeah, I ruined that, didn't I? Looks like we're going to have to touch down now. Cemetery Junction.
Come on, Julie, get those legs back in. First touchdown. It's getting light.
Yeah.
We've done about 11 miles. Last little bit to finish off. Temperature's down in the single figures. Alexa said about 7, I think. I'm getting a little bit chilly now because we've been weaving roads rather than just going for it. So I could do with a little push to get warm again. 6:27, 12.2 miles, average of 12.2. Nothing massive today.
Ah, how odd. Now, of course, the bonus of picking the locks up is that we might, well, we won't get a sunrise, but we do get some more of those moody clouds. Right, retrieved. Almost a sunrise.
Almost a sunrise, yes. Beautiful view though. Mike, you found my oomph. I've lost my oomph.
Has it gone missing?
Yeah.
Well, if it stays dry, maybe we'll use the road bikes tomorrow.
Yeah.
And we'll go and look for some oomph.
Yeah. So, if you've watched this far into the video, thank you for watching us. Click the like button and join us for day 8. I had to concentrate there.
Oh, and these dry rides, definitely better.
Oh yes.
So what are we, 4 for 7 now? We're over 50%. November is indeed being kinder to us at the moment.